Hi, welcome back to Style Stories with Ruchakode. So we have another guest with us today for our channel. So he's not just an exceptional makeup artist who is known for his remarkable transformation when it comes to makeup and hair, but he is also someone who has worked with me at a very early stage of my styling career. So guys, get ready for a captivating and fun conversation about beauty, fashion and style with none other than Abhishek. Abhishek, as we all know, makeup plays a very significant role in like everyone's life. So, do you think that it is something only focused for like women, or like you think even
Initially, when I started, I had no clue that whether male does it or a female does it. I was just focused that I'm an artist. आता काहीच नाही की पुरुष आणि बाई म्हणजे असे दोन वेगवेगळे बिझनेसेस आहे. आधी तसं होतं. आता जे पुरुषांचे काम आहे ते लेडीज पण करतात, जे लेडीजचं काम आहे ते पुरुष पण करतात.
So and I think at that time changed like I think even male are interested in all this.
Yes.
Like in styling.
Yes.
Doing the makeup, basic makeup, like doing their hair and everything like they want to look as polished as like women are always into it.
Everybody want to be good with their personalities.
Yeah.
They want to have like good appearance.
Right.
Their first appearance should be very appealing, and that is what people want. And I feel that it's very much important because right now generation is moving so fast that you have to make sure you are good enough when you go and you present yourself. You can't just go blankly, okay, this is me. But apart from that, I feel that it's very important for a makeup artist to show himself. He needs to be stylish. He needs to be like on point with his hair, makeup, even nails for that matter. Even I do it. If you people can see, people should do what they like.
Right.
That's me because I'm nobody to judge male का ये है female का वो है. So मैं हर बार वही कोशिश करूँगा कि आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो आपको अच्छा लगे, which gives you more happiness. That's more important. So that's how it is.
Abhishek, being a makeup artist, we are going to take advantage of it in this. So first we are going to ask him a lot of questions about makeup, and we are going to pick some tips and tricks from him, like instant ones. So Abhishek, if I have to ask you to share 5 tips for everyday makeup routines, so what?
Okay. So असं काहीतरी ट्रिक सांगेल जे सगळ्यांनाच युज होते. म्हणजे तुम्ही रोज घरी पण करू शकता, तुम्ही कुठे बाहेर असलं तरी करू शकता. Yes, very easy, simple, right? So firstly, I will say that you should always apply eyes to your face. And you'll feel good. त्याच्याने usually काय होतं की pores close होतात. In 2-3 months you'll also see changes. Second thing is that I will prefer people to drink apple cider vinegar because that is what I drink. Many people think that it's just like makeup है, खूब flawless दिसतोय, glass finish दिख रहा है, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, कितनी सुंदर लग रही है. It's not about that. It's all about your skin texture.
How your skin is.
If your skin is not good, even if I put like very expensive 10,000 product तरी तोंडाला आला, तरी तो दिसणारच नाहीये. Exactly. Second thing is having collagen. Collagen is something you get those nowadays. You get those capsules and you get powders or you get gummies. So collagen is something that you put. It gives more plumpiness to your skin. Your skin becomes more tight. So आता कधी-कधी खूप लोकांना because of you eat very junk.
Right.
So त्यामुळे असं होतं की तुमचं ते सगळं स्किन वरती येतं, bloating दिसते, किंवा मग people booze and party or maybe sometimes overeating is done, or because of work रात्र दिवस खूप. The schedule is exactly. So that is what. And last two, which is related to makeup, I will say. So one is something that is moisturizer, which everybody should have it, and not just moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer, because I feel everybody should have a thin layer on their skin. And the fifth thing is sunscreen. So any sunscreen you use should be more than 50 SPF because that's the temperature in Pune, especially for now because we stay in Pune. So I feel that's more than 35-40 degrees Celsius. So for that, at least SPF 50 plus you should use.
One common mistake that you think is a big no when it comes to makeup?
I would like to say too much of editing is not good because people understand. Sometimes what happens is, I have experienced this, originally the work is very different and when it comes to social media it's very different. So people who are actually witnessing the work, they are going to judge you on your Instagram also. So don't do a tremendous difference between your original work and your Instagram page.
So Abhishek, when you started as a makeup artist, what was your first pay like that you used to get?
but the work or the art what I put when I do makeup, that's priceless.
Right.
So you can't judge with money.
Yeah.
Okay, but yes, when it comes to practicality, because right now without money, there's nothing. Lagna पण करताना I guess पैसे बघूनच करतात.
Exactly.
So त्यामुळे मला it's a necessity. When I started this career, first pay was near about 300 rupees.
Okay.
So 300 रुपयावरती मी चालू केलेलं.
Right.
आणि त्याच्या आधी मी फुकट किती गेले मलाच माहिती नाही. Because relatives hote, kiwa my friends were there, and I used to go with other makeup artists because I had learned from one of my very close friend, Triveni Petkar. So I did that course with her, and she was so kind because I really respect her big time. And I feel that because of her, whatever she taught me, the basics which were there, that time it was advanced, आता ते basics झाले. So ते चांगलं शिकवलेलं म्हणजे मला असं नाव ठेवायला नाही आवडत. So 300 is what I started, and today I am charging near about 75,000 for one bridal makeup.
Okay.
And my goal is to do Neeta Ambani's makeup very much sooner, and that is what I'm confessing because I'm going to do that for sure.
So one advice for makeup artists in Pune, like who are just like starting up, who are just like who have just finished their course
Beginners.
or like beginners, something like that.
I would really like to say that लोकांना कळतच नाही की actual makeup दाखवायचा आहे कसा. Being a makeup artist, I feel you shouldn't just be a makeup artist. You should be a first influencer, social media marketer, and then you should be a makeup artist. So I feel ज्याला makeup artist का course करायचा first do marketing.
Exactly. Even if you're not a good makeup artist, you have a good aesthetic page.
Yes.
I think those people get better clients than me.
Right.
As this channel is about fashion, style, makeup, and everything. So we are going to talk something about Abhishek's personal style, and we are going to ask him how does he develop and how does he maintain what are the style essentials that he has in his life.
Okay. That's very difficult. Everybody have been seeing me on Instagram and social media, and I'm a very funky person, to be very frank. I need to say that even I usually get my clothes designed from Blanco. He's very good friend with me.
Yeah.
And I feel you should have your own confidence, which I feel is more important.
Right.
Though right now put on weight, but when it comes to talking in front of people, like thousands of people, I don't lose my confidence. That's only because of my style.
Right.
So I also like to wear neons. I also like to wear like funky clothes. I like to wear
the mood and the occasion.
Exactly. Yeah, completely. Because I like to, experiment also, and I feel I'm a makeup artist as I said.
Yeah.
So I got to sell myself first.
Right.
I can't just wear black all the time, and I can't just go. If anybody might have checked my profile, they'll get to know that I wear orange, I wear green, and it's all funky color. It's very difficult to manage and carry, but that is how it is. But my ultimate goal, I would really like to become a model in future if ever, but I will try. Many people lack for this. I really need to give this message. It's not a scripted thing. It's all whatever I feel. That guys, styling is very important part because even if I'm a makeup artist, many people I see that they just do random styling. They'll get outfit here, they'll get shoot from here, they'll get models, they'll get photographer. But the creative direction behind the entire shoot, the stylist is learning that. There are stylists who are learning that. I feel if my brides will start hiring stylists for their wedding, it will be really good for them also because they will help throughout from scratch to end.
Okay, so Abhishek, मला तुला विचारायचं आहे की what is the most expensive style purchase that you have done till now?
But I would say the first expensive thing which I always wanted to buy was Gucci shoes.
That is the first.
That is something I can't forget because the bag जो मैं Gucci store मध्ये घेऊन बाहेर पडलो ना तो मला होतं अरे यार काय म्हणजे एवढी मेहनत मी एवढे वर्ष though it's a luxury product, it's not an investment,
right?
But I feel that was an investment of my hard work because I always wanted to buy.
So Abhishek, now we are going to show you some looks, like some style looks, and we want you to rate them. Okay. So this is the first.
I will scale this 8.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel the hair could have been better with the finish.
Okay.
And the overall styling looks nice.
So this is the second look, Abhishek.
This looks nice. I like this. This I will rate this maybe 9. Yeah. That's nice. I like the overall concept, like whatever the color scheme, a blouse, a sari, everything is going, especially the braid.
Yeah.
It's very nice, it's very classy. And I like the red and red is going together with the hair and sari.
Yeah.
The jewelry is also complementing.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So, Abhishek, really thank you so much for rating our look. Now I give you one chance where you can ask me a style tip for yourself. So, anything where you need styling help, you can ask.
So I feel that give us one tip, being a makeup artist. Maybe do you think a stylist is very important for a makeup artist every time to be on field?
Okay. What I feel is when it comes to shoots, it is a teamwork. It is a teamwork. Not just one person can say that this is how I want and this is what my vision is.
Right.
Everyone's vision should be taken into consideration and everyone knows their own job. So everything coming together, making it look like a composed look is something जिसमें styling का भी equally contribution होता है. So I think every shoot पे stylist होना चाहिए. What your question is, it's not like compulsory, but होगा तो वो कभी भी like waste नहीं जाएगा. It will always leave a different impact.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay, now let's reverse. Let's do a question and answer with Rucha. So, second question is, do you think brides should hire a stylist? Because this is something that is very, it's not heard very commonly that a bride have their own stylist.
Yeah.
So do you think that in Maharashtra people should start doing that?
I get styling inquiries for bridal. Sometimes they tell me that, ma'am, makeup artist is already charging so much for the makeup, so we have to budget for styling.
So can you do it for that?
Yeah. Whenever I've seen a bride who has hired a stylist, वो दिख के आता है. Like, बस photo देख के वो दिख के आता है that there is a stylist who has worked for this look,
right?
And there's no stylist, and then this look has come out.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter like अब कितना भी heavy makeup करो, heavy jewelry पहन लो, heavy outfit डाल दो, stylist का काम वो अलग.
बहुत रहता है. Yes. This is what even I have observed that when a stylist is there on board, it really makes a huge difference. Yeah. Because they will look after your can and they will look after your dress.
They consider a lot of things like what background it is,
yes,
what kind of people are there, what kind of aesthetic you're maintaining with the theme, how are you going to pair with what your groom is going to wear. So everything is taken into consideration. It's not like, okay, this is looking good, just wear it. Your body shape analysis, what will look good on your body, because not everyone has the same body and same figure.
Yeah.
There are people who feel that I only want to wear red on my wedding.
Right.
But again, which shade of red will look good on?
Yeah, there are so many shades.
Exactly.
Colors, yeah.
So that is when stylist plays a role and वो दिख के आता है.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I feel guys this was helpful. So guys, share, like and subscribe to Style with Rucha because she is coming up with crazy content on her YouTube channel. So if you want to have such more interviews and want to learn more things from Rucha, especially with styling, so you can connect there. And I feel Rucha, this was a very interactive session.
Yeah.
It is something very new concept because being a makeup artist, I'm going for the first time interviewing with a stylist. So it was a very fun and very informative session, which is very important for people to know the backend story.
Exactly.
So guys, subscribe karo and click the bell icon.
Thank you.
Thank you.